while walking around, I came across this graffiti hat on the wall. It's along a train track. Above there is the train track. So I got some pictures. So I'll be putting in a video so you can check it out later. It's so beautiful. So now I'm here at this crossroad or intersection. I am trying to take a picture of a moving vehicle as it moves past. When I take the picture, it's gonna freeze the vehicle, but the background's gonna be blurry. So that's what I'm trying to do right here. So we'll see how it goes.